Hey guys, I'm Michael Newrock, and I just wanted to make this quick video to show you something that I'm really excited about, and I know you will be excited about too. Now, since launching Trend Profiteer, the overwhelming response and feedback has been absolutely positive. It's been fantastic. I've been extremely pleased with how it's been going. Members love it. Members are making more pips than they ever have in some cases, and every part of the Trend Profiteer program, the software, the course, everything, it's been a delight. So I really thank you for your support. But the number one thing, the number one request that people have asked for in regards to enhancing the system and making it even better is the ability to take a manual trade without having to wait for alert, or taking a trade perhaps hours after an alert, but for whatever reason you want to take the trade. Or there may be no alert whatsoever, but you just want to get in on the trade. Here's an example here where for technical reasons the trend trade wasn't validated, nor was a swing trade, but by say on this bar or this bar, you may want to get in, and you can see for yourself that the price is moving down. Well, now you can. You can take buy trades and you can take sell trades. Your actions are not censored. Any reason that you have for taking the trade is fine, and you can do it all manually, and Trend Profiteer will manage the trade from that point on. So let's have a look on exactly how we can take a trade on a manual basis and have it automatically managed for you throughout the trade life cycle. Okay, so let's click on the A button here. It's for putting a text on the chart. So let's just type it here, and there are specific commands that you need to place. And in this case, to buy a trade, you type in go long for your name and go long for the text. Now, when I click this OK button, an alert's going to pop up, even though there is no valid trade right now. So let's do it. Okay, there you go. We've got go long on the charts. I've got my alert that has popped up, and all I need to do now is click yes or no. So let's click yes, and there you go. We've got our trades entered. We've got, you can see the little symbol here for Trend Profiteer, which is indicating that Trend Profiteer will look after this trade from that point on. You've got the stop loss placed just below the slow moving average in accordance with your settings in the Trade Assistant. And if we just squeeze this up, you'll see take profit 1 and take profit 2 further up if we keep on going. Of course, these are idealistic targets because with Trend Profiteer being a trend management system, it is going to lock in your profits according to the targets and profit locks that you have placed in your settings. Okay, so 100 for your first target, 150 for your second target, 250. You can use any settings, and you can, of course, just like the alert version, you can adjust those settings on the fly. But if you've just come back to your desk and you see a trade developing and you want to get in on it early, or you see a trade that you've missed and you want to get in late, or you don't even see a trade alert, but you want to take that trade and have Trend Profiteer manage it, there you go. It will be managed from this point on. Now let's just go to, say, the Aussie yen, and same thing here. Let's say for whatever reason we want to go short. Now in most cases you would want to see an alert there for a swing, but it's still in downward swing territory. Now, if that were to happen, this would change to red. There'd be 3 out of the 6 of the high time frames being red. We've already had a trend alert. Now, I'm not going, this video isn't about whether this trade is a good trade or not, but it's simply here to just show you how we set up a sell trade. Once again, click the A button, the draw text. Just click anywhere on the chart. And for this one, can you guess what the command is going to be? Instead of go long, it's go short. Put that in the name, we'll put that in the text. When I click OK, the alert will pop up. Okay, and there you go. We've got an alert. Incidentally, when I click yes, the go short command will disappear. So let's do that now. Okay, there you go. Trade has been taken. Command has been removed from the chart. You can see here in accordance with your stop loss, with your take profit, it's all there, all built in. Your trade management now is going to run as according to the trend Profiteer rules. So whether it's a short trade or whether it's a long trade, go long for a long trade or a buy trade, go short for a sell trade or a short trade. And that's all there is to it. I hope you are as excited as I am about this new enhancement in Trend Profiteer. It's pretty big, and it's going to benefit a lot of people. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to your feedback on this new, really cool functionality. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.